A while back, I did a review on the Kliq Metronome, and I was way too kind. It's junk. The jog dial, which is supposed to help you change the tempos and the pitches quickly, doesn't grab, it doesn't engage, and so you can spin, and it won't even change anything at all. It's a hassle. And for the life of me, I cannot figure out how to turn the metronome, how to make it stop without turning the unit off. Or I guess you can hit mute, but then the metronome is still going. And I don't know why, but that's disturbing to me. Maybe I feel like it's wasting battery. I don't know. But I don't like it. And I'd be surprised if they're still in business, but I'm not recommending it. So please don't buy it because you think I like it. Sorry, but not sorry.